guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded a video. Because the weather is getting warmer here, I have been doing a lot more like walking and hiking and bike riding. I've recently got back into that. And so I wanted to share what is in my diabetes bag with you guys. Because there's been many times before where I've fully gone out for the day. There's no way for me to get back home. And I have forgotten to pack needle heads. So this is why I have a go bag now. Dad, I'm sorry, I stole the term go bag from you. Anyways, we'll just get right into this bad boy right here. Okay, so the very first thing that is in my go bag that's important to me is Tums. I like the peppermint flavor. I do not like the berry flavors. I don't like any of the other flavors, just the peppermint one. Okay, and I don't really even like the peppermint flavor because it's so chalky and gross. But I eat these like they're candy because I have acid reflux so bad all the time. Even if I'm drinking water, sometimes they can just like creep up on me. So it's always good for me to have these in my go bag. The next thing I have in my go bag is my little insulin pouch. So I keep a long-lasting and a short-acting insulin. I do Levemir from I take the Novo Nordisk, so I take Levemir and then I take Nova Rapid. So I always have at least one long-acting insulin with me, and then I've got extra needle heads in here. And the next thing, I've got just a little Coke, just in case I have a low, and like it's like a crazy low and I need to just chug this entire bottle. I always just have this just in case, especially in the warmer months. For whatever reason, my blood sugar tends to be on the lower end. In the winter, I tend to be higher. In the summer, I tend to be lower. I've had lots of low blood sugars at work because of that. So I always have Coke with me. Next thing, got my keys. I've got a little hand sanitizer that's bedazzled because my boss, love her, she gave this to me. So I've just got my keys and everything. And then I've also got a Glucagon. I always carry Glucagon with me. I always teach people how to use it because it's just really good to know. Every single time that I've had to use Glucagon, it's always in the summertime. The very next thing that I've got is another hand sanitizer. Now this is a newer edition. The hand sanitizer thing is a newer edition with COVID, right? And this one is in peppermint. Peppermint is like one of my favorite flavors, so there's a theme for you on that. Next thing I've got, for whatever reason, I've got a little Bailey's chocolate in my go bag. My boyfriend's mom gave this to me, so I've got just a random Bailey's chocolate in my bag. I've got a list for work for things that I need to pick up. I've got my mask, which is super important right now. I've got a little green apple, pomegranate, whatever kind of candy from a sushi place in my bag. Again, that will go with the Bailey's candy for whatever reason. Always good to have candies in your go bag. I have Advil just in case, you know, it's that time of the month and you need it. It's always just good to have Advil with you. I also have a lip gloss and then two liquid lipsticks from Caked Makeup. Love these. I always have these in my bag. I don't right now, but I also like to carry like granola bars with me because I actually had to eat them last night at work because I had a low blood sugar. So I ate those. I have to replenish them in my bag, but I always like to have granola bars or like goldfish or just like a little snacky snack that I can have at work. It's just easier to do it that way. And then one of the last things that I have in my bag is the VIVI Cap. The VIVI Cap is honestly a game changer. It's one of the best things that I've ever been given, and it's just basically a little mini refrigerator for your insulin. And now this is perfect for me just because bike riding, hiking, going camping, doing outdoor activities, or if you have a work that doesn't have a refrigerator like me, it's really, really good to have just like a little mini refrigerator for at least one of your insulin pens, just so you know, you're always guaranteed to know that one of your insulins are always refrigerated. So the VIVI Cap by TempraMed. The VIVI Cap comes with some like different sized rings. So if you see in here, there's like a ring so that your insulin pen, whichever one that you're using, fits in properly. And the pens that the VIVI Cap works with is the Quick Pen, the Flex Pen, the Solo Pen, and the Flex Touch. So I've got it there for you guys. I'll have a link down below if you want to check out the VIVI Cap, because it's honestly, I've been using them since I say like I have more than one. I've been using the VIVI Cap since October, I do believe. I've taken this biking, I've taken this hiking, I've taken this camping, and every single time it just keeps my insulin perfectly cool. Not like ice cold, not hot, perfectly cool temperature for insulin. So it's honestly something that I would recommend to anybody who doesn't have like a little mini refrigerator for their insulin pens. It's been a game changer, and I'm super excited to see how he holds up in like 45-degree weather. So my VIVI pen is the last thing that I have in my bag. Before I start talking about my actual bag, I'm just gonna double check, see if I've got anything in like weird little compartments. Oh, $5 American. I'm gonna save that for a trip to Florida. I don't know why I have it in my bag. And then, see, this is the kind of stuff that I have in my bag, and I don't know why. It's like, it's a piece of plastic, a broken piece of plastic. I don't know why I have that in my bag. I'm gonna talk about my bag. So this bag, I did not buy. I stole this bag from my boyfriend. So thank you, Jaden, for generously letting me steal your bag. I appreciate it so much. This is the perfect bag. This bag, it's obviously just a black bag. It's got some padding on the back, so it's a little bit more comfy. But honestly, the comfort level of this bag is perfect, honestly. Okay? It's just a over-the-shoulder bag with this, if I can open it, so you can clip it onto something bigger if you need to. Also, the straps are just adjustable, so you can make them bigger or smaller. And this bag is from MEC, so the Mountain Equipment Co-op. I like the shape of it. I like that I can stuff like so much stuff into this bag, and as a diabetic, I'm sure you guys can relate to how you literally are a master of putting things into small places so that you can just have so much stuff with you at a time. I also like that it's got, when you're wearing it, you've got like a little pocket here, so I can put my pump in here if I'm wearing my pump. I like that I can put poop bags in there. It's just like a really nice, accessible little pocket there. It's not supposed to be a cute, fashionable bag, but it's still like a nice looking bag. Super comfy, and I just absolutely in love with it, so that's why I stole it. So thank you, Jaden, again. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Let me know if you relate to being able to store 55 pounds worth of stuff into the smallest space ever. I feel like that's just something that all of us diabetics can do. If you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to share it. Make sure to subscribe. If you want to follow me on Instagram or any of my other social media platforms, then all of the links are in the description box down below. I'll make sure to have the VIVI Cap down below if you guys want to check that out. They're a really awesome brand, so I really, really recommend them. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!